juma me aba me body my ebedru ba bi no wa kasa tumi no ebeforo me aba me body ma eti kro we mu ebre bi atwem achepa eti kro we mu na ampipi aban ebedi akonya temiye pa enam se ampipi amanyuku ye amanyuku bia omo betika na akonya so a atwene po muti ene ntutu ya omo ne to abontre ni nyina na nka ya akwa akoye se they want to involve the development of every part of the nation at a go. It is over here and people amanyuku no believe omo te akonya mu bia no concentrate only on one part of the country, but they actually spread development across the country. I said, you know, Omana Yetimo, Pempes, Baby Oboko, Pempes, will be Obocosubiano, and our Mansin be Obocosubiano, or Mohau, any Diomore, and Dane, any Omano, a Fankaya Moaka. Any name said, Northern region, a yet, Babia, Sabu, a Ria, a poor hopper, a zoo, and one now hopper. But you answer him said, Northern region 4, Imianum Slim 4, Amuyan Crophobia, Amupequia Jumapa, and a more on Sasso and Sassano, and Daswa, and Maquia Juma, your Ewohono. I am very easy. But a more problem back. Problem no more, and say, and so who and now. And in the wisdom of yoga, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Librem, and a project be, and I say, design project be said, or Kwakuya Dam, Kakrakapa, and will not in region one. Ebeboa ama ensuo a yede beyem fom juma ehun yede ehun enyena eti hwebra kwa amekoro meti Ghana so 1957 abanya bako aban aba atwem aban bia ni ho a okọ na chi ekofa asa project nse or execute from 1957 Amapem 2017. Now, Opia knew how not to say there is any project be a suspended in the northern region. Say, yeah, boy, a home water and a boy in the northern region for Momunya and so at the IM for Mutuma. But said the minute can catch them. And now I'm saying another damn cocoa for our buying. Adra ne do muti na eye to make the whole country comes together to develop, you know. When they came, they also realized say how na wo not original number no so dia northwest into minyan so emfan yem fu tuma no e was omon pe kwan bi so na omon to be ensia no and am so Come baby a buying sign corner cheap. Ecofa the project originally designed by Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Ayefene Palugu Dam. Esande Basi Num said they have to build this dam to make sure say not in one hand in Sassana or ye come out to me from Juma and Brennan. No, able to me Afakwa Miso. Not as ye in so and ye Juma. I mean, the Anya Yakrafila Madonna because Burkina Faso I offer to see Oban. Assassin of Burkina Faso, it is assassin or not regional. The only thing that makes it different, they say, the Burkina Faso or more irrigation system, Eboa, Emma and Crawford, we are formed here not by Yamo Jumano, or Munyan Sudi on their muscle because Burkina Faso in not region. Dia wenda no equal in so top. Abusia, Nanando Danko Kufa and Dr. Mufa project with the Tomo, Omo, Echo, Usom, Bayer. I said the union I know. project kɛseɛ bi a ɛte sei no ɛnyɛ project bi a wosɔre ya na wasesa machines akɔgu hɔ sɛ wokɔ akɔyɛ na mmom no adwuma bi sei no wobɛyɛ a ɛwɔ sɛ wonni kan nkɔ hɔ nkɔyɛ adeɛ bi ɛfrɛ no feasibility studies wonkɔyɛ nhwehwɛmu sɛ saa dam no koraa woyɛ a cement bɛn na wɔ sɛ woyi so iron rod bɛn na wɔ sɛ woyi so blocks a wode bɛsi dam no ne kɛseɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɛnyɛ sɛn ne thickness all these things ɛna yɛka bom a yɛfrɛ no feasibility studies ne bo bɛ cost to say what is the most cheapest way to create it all these things yɛwura na Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo baeɛ no ɔde saa adwuma wei to ne koko so sɛ ɔbɛyɛ saa adwuma no so Nana Addo went on through the championship of Dr. Bawumia to understand how this problem of the northern region can be solved. Tell me about me, I'm also like a video na share na yen koyene. You got another Dr. Bawumia, your mother gonna say they must solve this lack of water in the northern region for farming. But unfortunately, they were not able to do it because 2019 enyere mu gesi wiase Ghana yesika sem ebeye basa eti sika bia na MPP ani da so se nke bia palugu dam yebeye Kumasi Eswami interchange any many other projects ahodo nyina no sa sika no ni nyina yensanka ye ho kire ye wokwa bi so na entenam sa so tro. Now we cannot dedicate monies to these projects because there was need to provide electricity for the people. It took to me to say, "One top petrol and family generating power because you are building Palugu Dam." There was need to pay services amount for provided to the government. It took to me to say, Palugu Dam. It cannot happen. So what happened is that the MPP government had to stop that project and concentrate on essentials. And yema who here param in prayer in Padasania Yabia, and your how any amania Cassia ever. Now, Kaimu said, Assem interested, but let's go back a little bit and come back. And Nana Addo Nkwa bediga na konya o. Nana Addo nyo nkwa. There were four different people under the Democratic from 1992. Omo ediga na maiso. None of them took that bold decision to build that dam for the northern region. There were even we have had different former vice president, any a former president, now of free northern regional, none of them thought of bringing such project to a conclusion. Just to remind you, the assembly here. And now Nana Addo says, it needs a lot of money. We are in crisis. COVID abe broye. Yes, ye paja ye moa and the Ukraine Russia wars by a day. So how can you spend that amount of money on the dam? So Nana Addo withdraw all these projects and concentrate on the essentials. But I was saying, dear me, I say, a party called MPP, I believe said, we had a problem, very internal problems in the party, especially in terms of communication. Because of communication, I'm not talking about communication on the radio, TV, Facebook, YouTube, then I say from I'm talking about internal relations and the forms of giving out informations to the people. We had that problems too. Mechanism. And I'm saying any Dr. Bawumia, I promised the people that they were going to build that Palugu Dam, Amanfo ani ɛyɛ ɛkɔ so because that was a huge project. Ɛma yɛwura Bawumia ɛkɔ baabi kora ma yɛkɔbisa no sɛ na nti sɛ Northern region pa deɛ bɛn project na ɔbɛtumi de wɔn nsa asi so aka sɛ sɛbio mu ayɛ de ama Northern region a ɛyɛ historical na ɛsɛ the biggest. And yɛwura Bawumia ba bɛka sɛ the MPP government intend to build Palugu Dam ɛyɛ the bigger project that they have ever received as a Northern region from the government of Ghana. Asɛm when yɛwura Dr. Bawumia kae. But what happened? You see, as we know, said the Union for the NDC people, they have this mentality of what? Creating a propaganda binum akasie at the two person. And Omoya, they find their way to make it credible. Timieba. And this is for propaganda. Almost I say no more. Yeah, but I jet piato. So when you're smart manner, obedient. So when you be a wabeng and answer or clinical and this is propaganda. A ja a piato. Where the idea for Kufuane's administration, it means more than comprehensive bank statement and the figures shall know fake ones. And the Bachelor Ghana for Sekufo for Ghana Sikanyana. Yakaya Kasekufo, go de Shagana Sassiase. What Tom Nina de Musca. Temio Yakaya said that the Pukufa Kwako Kuranka Fobi Wap. Just said those guys are kings in line. At the end, this 40 transit planning said they will try to use Bawumia. The idea, the good idea now they buy here to build that Palugu Dam to solve the problem in the Northern region. They sat down to use it as a weapon against him, through which means by saying, said, MPP are buying another Dr. Bawumia and another DNA Mukai. I could get $12 million at the amount contractor on your Palugu Dam. 1 year said to man now drying. So first of all, Bawumia free Northern region. Also Baba ye project. Yes, a project on Husikano. One in a home growth for charity. Into one, they created hate. Among your time ever share notness for adrenaline or Dr. Bawumia. Because as I said, or poor Kwasia or the Wondi and Disika, abroad Monsofa. Not only in the Northern region, also in the southern part and the central and wherever in the country. The NDC were able to make it look like, say, they were about Miani and people are buying. And we are 12 million cities, not dollars, in the name of we are going to build dam. But now, here is when I come. TNT NDC for to me a young so a cancer assembly. Nina said, because the 2023 internal elections, any breakout to be above, there were no concrete connections and forms of communication among the party members. So the NDC capitalized on that. They took advantage of that. And NDC, in a way, were able to corrupt even the Auditor General to come out with numbers here. Not every, anybody be free, say free will, every form, every nifa, every benkum, every asasiase, we don't know. They make sure that the Auditor General will create something, an impression like somebody has stolen money. Eba kwasya fogrum to say Captain Smart and so mu, Eddie Yedede, Sami Jamfi so mu, Eddie Yedede, Okuja Tabra Quanum, Eso Mudi Yedede, a lot of the NDC men are not really well known as a young kind of say babies with sharp teeth. It may be more than a propagator to make sure say between the length and breadth of the country, you know, that name will go around and say Dr. Bawumia and we are $12 million in the name of they are going to build Balogu Dam. So that make an NDC for propaganda or yeah, it Sami Jamfino Munina, I can. And your Mokaya, Manabato, Ghana, Funina team, especially the northern part of the country. Say, I'm people for we are $12 million. A man by year, as some Cassia power mine. And I'm so many part of one arm, echo to a batitia and Pipiamanu, especially the northern region. You see how the MPP lost heavily in the northern region. And Yakusasi for Quanto Wasem. All these things were part of the program. My question is, where was the communication team of the party? My question is, why didn't the finance minister comes out to prove with the document said Omuntia Sikabian Famobia Adentia minister for food and agriculture and as a minister for energy then one ma bontiama meka say ye project no ye first Sikabian Kobabia Adentia because there were no communication internally. And this is why the NDC took advantage of this and they capitalized on these false allegations. Now, you know, so you say, "Oh, my na yetimno, or yeni bia or my no, enipa bia na hunche na wo man no, edwene say, eya man your for, and I then amana hunche no, and then you know, so you say, ye kuru na yetimno, or yeni bia edwene say, eya sikani bi and amana hunche no." So the NDC started pointing figures on some MPP that said they have stolen monies through this type of contract. And this Yamanyuku minority that time went all the way to the site to bring out videos and pictures to prove to Ghanaians say $12 million better how 1 year. So in the evidence of videos, pictures, whereby we are telling you, say, Auditor General, SAPSC, what will the ordinary Ghanaian think? The ordinary Ghanaian will fall flat into the lies of the NDC. Take video with Nayamra. Just listen to this video and we will continue. Listen.
Bawumia irrigation project. Sikane dodo ye saying 11,949,088.06. That is akaka krebi na $12 million.
Because almost 12 million.
Balogu Dam, MPP are buying every sika 12-point-something million US dollars. Yes, I'm the then opposition leader, John Daraga Dramani Mahama, and Sukabi, and the $12
million was paid for no work done. You go to the site, there's absolutely nothing there. And so somebody has caused financial loss to the state and must be held to account.
It is not in
Young Cassiura John Mahama, no yet then opposition leader, Sokuradina, said Daddy, Oko site why a year Juma, but a more PSC $12 million at the contractor. Some Sanko news file so Sanko cancer
doubt that payment to the tune of almost $12 million has been
11.9.
Yeah, to the company. That's a huge amount of money. Okay.
Directed that almost 12 million be paid to Power China International when no work is being done.
Unfortunately, like you.
Papa, you can say, friend, I think say, or no, yet a boot jinapo. Yes, because Bakunia Samuel Jinapo, or me and your phone, Baku and people about Baku and this. We are the Minister of Energy. Also, what now say, a vetting committee and him consider and say, to him, no, MPP for $12 million at the AMA contractor, but I
You are aware the contractor took the money and bolted, let me put it that way, and left Ghana. So
one of the one can say or say contractor needs Sikano and or yet day, but you try here a free Ghana mine. And you don't take us a point university.
Pualugu, you're spending $11.9 million.
Bawumia,
Parliamentary committee, your cohort, nothing to show. The place is overgrown with. $11.9 million.
A few moments later.
Okuja tabra kwa Akabi. Sami Jamfi Akabi. President John Darega Dramani Mahama Akabi. Sam George and many other communicators. And some other prominent NDC members. Eba Bontain, Ebe Kasafa, damn no, say a fraud, a chronobofita, Bawumia, and Riesika. Bessing and coupon away, or funny born ton and tem, Bessel tour, a very effective. And then, Papa na then, now you're former Minister of Energy and then this year, or the brother to then Minister of Energy, Samuel Jinapo. And then you go friend wo EPAC committee. Say, Oma no make sense in the man. Now you see the nipa wanumu asem na yedi suku fidie. And I'm say the former Minister of Interior. I so ye not to sell more. Now, why your research who the reality on the field. Oh, who say Papa number Trahona or Sidabi, who na wapai, we are not 97. Yen the reality at the Palugu Dam. And Tinesawapatia take advantage of this today. And now we be dear by no Nankrata Kita Winsam. Now, can kind who the Yayan the Yen or ye. I said you promise say will be a cost to financial loss to the state and to our bachelor. And up to now, what is the outcome of the research that you have been embarked on?
The Pualugu dam contractor was paid $11.9 million. Have you done audit to see whether the contractor was paid for work done, or that you believe that he bolted away, as you put it?
No, so far, our preliminary investigation shows that the contractor was not paid for the work done.
But you tell you, pa, and then the papa way can't Ghana phone in said investigations are more not to the said. But you tell you, with the some of video will be not see video.
Dam contractor was paid $11.9 million. Have you? It may not directly have fallen under your ministry in the previous government, but because of the electricity generation component, I believe you have an interest, and so you will have followed it. Have you done audit to see whether the contractor was paid for work done, or that you believe that he bolted away, as you put it?
No, so far, our preliminary investigation shows that the contractor was not paid for the work done, and so we'll refer the matter to the Attorney General for investigation and possible prosecution. The only unfortunate thing, like I said, is that the contractor has left the shore.
And it tell you, pa, if you finally, And that year, when I was Minister of Energy, when you were in opposition, you were interested in Palugu Dam. Say, ye Timu Sika, a Yabuya, so Krum Funyan soon find your Juma. I say, no, Baba, who to me so by Mubia, the one who the reality, not who deserve to be punished or punishable. Akosi Senya, the guy looks into the eye of the host and told him, said, Omu hwehwemu omu aye no kire se contractor na omu kase yetua $12 million aman man dey dwan Africa no akware se enye no kore omu ye hwehwemu no ba bia ni ho a eye no kore se yetua sika e de ma contractor na mbom no afei ena all be report to side case no Ediama Attorney General. Na Attorney General ye deep in Shishemu. You understand me? The Lord the Secretary Anado Kano. Anado say the battle is still the Lord's. The battle still remains the Lord's. Sassemwe was one of the critics of Nanado and Dr. Bawumia 2024 campaign. One of the pillars of the NDC critics was one of this. But he never knew. It is coming from the horse's own mouth to say, Dr. Bawumia never steal any money. Dr. Bawumia never gave any money to any contractor to get his share from it. And moreover, expansively, MPP did not give money, tires payer money, no. Yam fam koma contractor say on Jim Kodi, and I am fam koma MPP contractor be say on Jim Kodi because of MPP. And to kuja tabrakwa Sami Jamfi, John Daragadramani Mahama, say somebody Jinapo, say who Jinapo, Captain Smart, Nana Jantua, Enkurasi Fodum, Edunsia, Adunu, Aduwatche, Oha. And Pashasamna no Moka across the country, said Dr. Bawumia, enemy Mia, enemy in Crawford. Omovia or mind 12 million cities, $1 no, and then Yakupon on Pebone. Afa Dr. Bawumia, Edna Jina Kunkonso, Aho Horono, Ashenatali Fufua, Safino. Mr. Matthew, thank you very much for what you did. Sakoshi Waya Upisa Kwa Weru. You have done the biggest success in your political career. You said that to seminar, support, and so tank back home. And the amount this for said from January 2025 and copying December 7th, 2028. Odio Munya Dr. Bawumia Maya. Omonum kasa no omo ankasa omo mfa semina ne sapo engare Bawumia omo ngare no omo ankasa ngare no. And I thank God that the mighty minority knows what they are doing in the parliament. Omo ankasa omo num sem no and omo di ngare Dr. Bawumia amana be the president 2029 inshallah. Because all the lies gradually it is cramping. And problem with good Dr. Bawumia Subiano, in Kakranka, they are actually what they say omitting. A couple of free omitting that it was a lie that they lie about Dr. Bawumia. You see, anybody said when no moon sem yɛde kyew fidie yɛde som fidie na sɛ kyew a eniawa yɛka asɛm bi akaman mu menim ebi ana in other tribes yɛka na wɔkasa foforo but in akaman mu yɛsi tɛkyerɛma ɛmporɔ yɛsi tɛkyerɛma yɛ dɛn ɛmporɔ nsɛm bi na yɛwura Dr. Kwame Nkrumah kaeɛ the independence of Ghana is meaningless until the whole Africa is free from the colonial masters. So I said, no, you are Kwame Nkrumah Kane years back, no. Kwame Nkrumah woo. Ne kase Nkrumah asase bi ni hobi. Apro atete ayera. But that words still remain because they were powerful words. That is the same thing that is happening today. Tachreman pro no, enye se wo tachreman pro da wu ebe pro. But asem na wo kan ye na asem a obeka no. You can always be held accountable through your own words from your own mouth. And then one said that chiro gradually ye banya to wase. What am say ha evidence based show that ye nim to ha. Rasmi the entire man for a penny show and say, I will not lie to you. I will not lie to you. I will just give you facts. Maybe near scratching ya a friend I may be here, Maybe a simple in the simplicity evidence based show. Broga me come I talk my mind. But I'll talk my mind with evidence to support my mind. The country said, NDC free Dr. Bawumia, Timmy, Omu Dr. Bawumia, October 2028, and Ombebo Nishri. No, October 2028, Ombebo and powder, no one about from, and the way you 8 December 2028, Dr. Bawumia, Ombebo Nishri. Gradually, NDC is going to do that job for the MPP. Omono Musem and Edibet LA, Edibe Hodo. One such Yantoaso, Yankoyanim, with another episode. Wakai Alupresem no, Okuja Tabrakwa, Ghana, Amutra Yamum, and a Fini to pray. We don't need pray, and then the NDC is championing to buy what? A pray. With the wager of people, NDC for Muti ever buy what is a Jimmy for, a Passia for, a Jimmy for us for. Wamiya Timudian and Fatame. Now, and then, Yanko next topic. Yanko next topic.